Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make tuna sandwich, which is a very quick and delicious recipe. Take a small sized onion and peel off the outer skin. Cut off the edges and chop the onion very finely. Now take a cucumber, remove the edge and scrub the cucumber with it. This will help to get rid of the bitterness. Peel off the cucumber skin and finely chop the cucumber as well. Now we shall take some lettuce and cut it into thick ribbons. Discard off the lettuce stalk. Now I have got some tinned tuna fillets over here. This is boneless fish which has been immersed in oil, as you can see over here. Empty the tuna fish into a sieve so that we can get rid of the oil. We only need the tuna fillets in this recipe. You may discard the oil. Put the tuna in a large bowl along with the onions which we had chopped earlier. Also add in the chopped cucumber. Now pour half a cup of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Combine everything lightly with a spoon. Once everything is well combined, store it in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. Now take a sliced bread, apply some butter on it, spreading it evenly on all sides. Then carefully arrange the lettuce ribbons on top of the bread. Pour a large tablespoon of the tuna salad on top of the lettuce and spread it evenly. Put the other bread on the top. Slice into 2 halves. You may divide it into 4 halves as well. And look, our delicious tuna sandwich is ready to be served. You can also prepare the tuna salad a day in advance and give it to children for tiffin or have it as an evening snack. Tuna is an excellent source of protein and the vegetables add a good kick of vitamins and minerals in your diet. So try out this healthy and easy recipe soon and let me know how it turns out in the comment box below.